It is January 2025, and it took us 11 days to compile all this data that we're going to give you based upon the year in review of 2024 in Waukesha County. So join me as we dive into the details of what actually happened in Waukesha County. So we're going to look at single families and condos that have sold in the last 12 months. So you can get an understanding of, if you are going to sell, what it should look like and what you can expect. Last year, 2024, we saw 4,596 homes sell in the entire county, and that actually comprised $2.4 billion in sales. That's right, with a B, $2.4 billion worth of sales. On average, a home would sell for $528,000, and you got about 2,200 square feet. And if you're a seller, it took about 25 days to sell. So it's selling quickly. You're getting a good price. So the question is, are you sitting on a gold mine with your home? And if you're in some communities, the answer is unequivocally yes, you are. So let's look at things. So the community with the most amount of sales was Waukesha, and you would expect that because it is the largest city per square mile and as far as per capita. You had 861 homes that have sold, and it cost you about $385,000. Now in Brookfield, you had about 535 homes that have sold, and that would cost you about $529,000. In Oconomowoc, 439 homes sold, and it cost you $600,000 to be out in Oconomowoc. Let's talk about the highest priced homes, average-wise, in Waukesha County. So the highest average price comes in at Shaniqua. $3.17 million in Shaniqua. 4,900 square feet you get. Lac La Belle, there was 3 homes that have sold. The average price was $2.68 million. And it got you about a 4,600 square foot home. If you were selling a home in Summit, you'd on average have a 3,000 square foot home, and you could expect to get about $1 million for it. The most affordable areas in Waukesha County, you got Butler, you got New Berlin, and you got Neshota. So let's look at those 3. Neshota, on average, you're spending $436,000. In New Berlin, you're spending $433,000, and Butler comes in at $265,000. The biggest homes in Waukesha County come in at Shaniqua, 4,900 square feet, Lac La Belle at 4,600 square feet, and Delafield at 3,400 square feet. There are 8 communities in Waukesha County that will be under $500,000. Mukwonago, Menominee Falls, North Prairie, Ottawa, New Berlin, Neshota, Big Bend, Waukesha, and Butler. So if you're looking for the most bang for your buck, that gives you urban and rural, you really want to look at Waukesha. The city of Waukesha also has the village of Waukesha in it. So you have some larger homes with larger tracts of land, as well as city homes. So if you're looking to buy in Waukesha, that may give you the best option. And then secondly, New Berlin. New Berlin, similar situation. Now, if you have $500,000 to $600,000 to sell, or want to buy a $500,000 to $600,000 home, you should look in Lannon, Dousman, Eagle, Brookfield, Sussex, Heartland, Muskego, Pewaukee, and Vernon. So if you're looking to spend up to $700,000 and you have $500,000 to $700,000 to spend, you only got 4 communities to concentrate on: Oconomowoc, Genesee, Lisbon, and Wales. Those 4 communities are on average selling above $600,000. And then there's a big jump. And if you can guess which is the most expensive community, good for you. Tell me in the comments below. Coming in at 5 most expensive homes for sale on average is Delafield, $844,000. And that gets you a decent home in Delafield. Merton's number 4. You're going to spend $815,000 to be in Merton. Summit is number 3, and you're going to spend about $1 million to just get into Summit. Number 2, Lac La Belle, $2.6 million. And the number 1 most exclusive place to live in Waukesha County is Shaniqua, $3.1 million will get you a home in Shaniqua. And the fact is, there were only 3 that have sold in Shaniqua. Now, if you're looking to cash out and you want to get it done fast, and you live in New Berlin, Big Bend, or Butler, man, you're going to sell in under 2 weeks. Average days on market is about 15 for those 3 communities. Now, if you're in North Prairie, Dousman, or Lannon, on average, it's going to take you over 100 days to get your home sold. Keep that in mind, 100 days or so to get your home sold. One thing that I hear regularly is, wow, there's a lot of new construction going on in Waukesha County. And the fact is, there is, but you'd be surprised that it doesn't represent that much when it comes to sales. Right now, new construction only represents about 5 to 6% of all of the homes that have sold. And if you wanted to buy new construction, your average price is going to be right around $700,000. You'll get about a 3 to 4 bedroom home, 3.5 car garage, and about 3 baths. And you will be, for the most part, on about a quarter to a half an acre lot.